So welcome to Tactical Stuff Reviews, and as you can see, we have a very dim lighting because it is already late, and we will be reviewing two of my very old knives. This is a budget-friendly knife from Colombia. So here are the boxes with I think that's a Jaguar print on it. And so here's our first knife. Here it is. I got this almost 4 years ago. As you can see, Colombia, Qun Cheng Cutlery. It has steel frame, steel scales, and steel liners. No back spacer. It is with our fingers or our thumb stud. Here it is. So here's the pivot, and for our lanyard hole, this pattern also on the scales makes it more very ergonomic. Here it is. Not a very comfortable blade to handle because of the scales and the protruding liner lock. As you can see, the blade is very much beat up because I've used this like I think almost 4 years ago. The coating already worn off. This has a black painted coating. Excuse me. Liner lock over here, and our pocket clip. This is not a very deep carry pocket clip because of the, here it is. So so that's our first knife. And here for our second knife. This is an automatic blade with locking mechanism right here. So this is the lock, and to unlock this, all you have to do is to push this and push the button, and so here it is. It says Colombia, USA. These are very budget friendly knives. I got this for I think under 200 pesos only. With these are plastic scales right here, plastic. This also is plastic with the real tree camouflage pattern, and this spider right here. No back spacer. So okay, so this one comes in clip point with our thumb ramp right here for precision cutting, while this one is on spear point, good for piercing, with a hole right here. And that's our pivot. This also is our pivot. So to close this, all you have to do is to push the button, release it, and lock the blade. Very comfortable to handle, but so this one also. To close this one is all you have to do is to push the liner downward and close it. So, blade steel. Blade steel is on HCR13 MOV, which is not a great steel, of course, but easy to sharpen, but easy to lose its edge. Edge retention is very poor. Also, this one, HCR13 MOV. So these two are one of my oldest knives. So this is very lightweight, but this is very heavy because of the scales, and the liners are all steel. As you can see, there are rusts right here, but I've already applied WD-40 to remove the rust. But the blade is HCR13 MOV, which is stainless steel, of course. This one is not very ergonomic, with a pocket clip is not a deep carry pocket clip. So overall, I think these are good knives, but not very great, considering the fact that this is very cheap. These are budget friendly knives, of course, as well as our lighting because it is already late, and so I think that's it. So that's all for Tactical Stuff Reviews.